Hello and Happy New Year. Want to wish you a wonderful 2023 filled with joy, happiness, peace, and prosperity for you and your loved ones. Just wanted to share with you my January's newsletter. It has some market updates, some market information, and some great tools that you can use and share with your family and friends about how to build your wealth and build the equity of your home faster and pay off your mortgage faster and save more on interest rates. This is a great tool. I've been using it for a long time. A lot of my clients love to see that, and I just want to share that with you. And please, if you have any feedback about my newsletter, about this video, about this tool, I would love to hear that from you. So let's get into the tool that I want to introduce you. This tool is called Homebot, and Homebot is a website that gets the information from the surrounding. It's something like very similar to what the appraisers are doing. So it gives you the estimated value of your property. In this example, by the way, this tool is used nationwide, and all the agents nationwide are using it. A lot of people nationwide are using it. So it doesn't matter that whether you have a property here in San Diego or somewhere else in the United States, you can definitely use this tool here. So you go to the link that I've provided. It's a Homebot link, and you obviously go there, click on the link and enter your information. And once you enter your information, it gives an estimated value of your property. And you can take a look, see if the information about your property is valid. These are the information pulled from the public record. So if you have any changes on your property that is not recorded, it's not going to reflect here because it goes off based on the public record. So this is the property. This is an example, the property that is currently worth $558,000. And this person had a mortgage, 30 years loan mortgage at 3.6, and they bought a home in 2016. Based on current market and what they owe in public record, they have the net worth of $320,000 on this property. And it goes deep dive into how this number is calculated and all of that. So you can definitely take a look at it. It also gives you different options about whether you plan on selling a home, getting a fast offer on it. It has different options. We work with a lot of people who are ready to close fast and take your property as is, and we can entertain whether it's the best for you to go to the traditional option and for selling your property, or if you decide to sell it fast without any hassle and everything, I have those options to provide you as well. And if you scroll down here, what I love about this tool, it gives you what you've paid so far. So based on this person's mortgage rate, the 30 years loan, this person so far since 2016 paid $34,000 toward their principal and $57,000 toward their interest. This is a lot of money, I know. And if you've had property before and you own a property and you had mortgage, you know this is how it's calculated. Furthermore, this goes down into when the market is more adjusted and interest rates are lower, it gives you different options about possibly refinancing your home. So you can either lower your payment and save more on interest rate and principal, or pay off your mortgage faster, basically. What I also love about this is that it has a calculator on it. And what this calculator does, let's say you have additional income or you receive a gift and you want to pay off your mortgage faster. Let's say if your income has increased and you want to make extra $100 per month toward your principal. Remember, this is toward a principal. You want to make sure that when you are making that extra $100 or $200, you call your bank or mortgage company and tell them that you want it to be paid toward the principal. And once this person pays extra $100 per month, they're going to save over $14,000 in principal, and they pay off their mortgage 3 years earlier. You can adjust this. Let's say you can add extra $200 and you would save $26,000, like above $26,000 on your interest rate, you pay off your mortgage 5 years. And that is showing you how this is calculated. This also gives you an option about whether you would like to purchase a new home, how much your next home value should be based on current rates. And if you want to buy an investment property, what would be the best number for you? Because obviously when you're getting a mortgage for an investment property, the rates would be adjusted to a higher rate because they consider it as an investment property. If you decide to rent your home and buy another one, what would be the number for you that makes sense? And if you want to cash out and, just go use that money to travel, this is a number that would work for you. So use this tool. It has some other options and information as well, but it also has a lot of other tools that you can definitely use. Take a look at this. Contact me if you want to make any adjustment on this, and also share this with your family and friends. A lot of people don't know about this, and a lot of people wonder how they can pay off their mortgage and save and beat the mortgage and interest rates. So this is one way to do that. And I would love to hear your feedback on this. So feel free to reach out to me with any question, give me the feedback, like this video, and share with others that might be useful for them as well. Until next time, thank you for watching and thanks for your time.